Hey, I'm Daniel, and today we're taking a look at Ekena Millwork's line of thermoformed 3D wall panels. Now, wall paneling has been around forever, whether it's carved into the actual wall, or use actual panels on the wall, or use molding to make up panels on the wall. Wall paneling exists in all type of architecture. What we wanted to do was make something bold, make something different, make something that makes a statement that stands out. And so we developed a full line of 3D wall panels that do just that. This line consists of over 100 different designs, from geometric shapes to organic shapes to real modern different styles. And a lot of them actually have real thick profiles, so it sticks off the wall quite a bit, adding a lot of depth to a room. Some of them have two different sizes. So one's like this one, about 20 inches by 20 inches, and then we've got that same pattern in a small 12-inch by 12-inch size. That way we have the perfect size no matter how big or small your room is. So this product was designed to be an accent wall, and there's two basic ways you can do that. Put it on a wall and paint it a different color than any other wall in that room, and it draws attention and it makes a bold statement. The other way, and my personal favorite way to do it, would be put it on a wall and paint the same color as all the other walls. It's subtle, but it's a strong architectural look. When it comes to determining how many panels you're going to need for your project, it comes down to simple square footage. So determine the width, the height, come up with how many square feet your wall is, and then figure out how many panels you need. We've got them in two different sizes, 20 inches by 20 inches and 12 inches by 12 inches. What we'd suggest, highly suggest, order 10 to 15% extra. That way you cover for waste during installation. Installing these is really easy. As you can see, they're super lightweight. They weigh nothing. What you're gonna wanna do, put glue around the edges, glue in the center. Anytime there's surface area of something that's gonna be touching the wall, go ahead and put adhesive there. And then stick it to your wall. Start at the bottom in the center, work your way out, work your way up. When you hit a spot where you need to cut it, cutting these is really simple. You can just use a sharp blade and it cuts very easily. Once it's all laid out on the wall, use caulking in between all the seams, at the top, at the bottom, at the sides for a nice, clean, finished look, and then paint it and you're done. One of the great things about this product line is the actual material itself. It's waterproof, so you can use it outside as well as inside. It's perfect no matter where you want to install it. When designing an accent wall, a lot of people don't think about how to finish off the bottom and the top. So one thing to note, make sure you order your baseboard, make sure you order your crown molding. For more innovative product lines like thermoformed 3D wall panels, check out our website or give us a call.